Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip, always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right, but when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe.
What up, everybody? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for joining me today. Please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos. And if you're returning, hey Shug Muffin. Alright y'all, so today we have another edition of
Budget Friendly Friday. I said Budget Friendly Friday. I said Budget Friendly Friday. A Budget Friendly Friday.
Yes, y'all. Budget Friendly Friday is where I am bringing you or showcasing wigs that are under $25. We are still trying to save those coins as much as possible because your girl here is frugal, okay? All right, so the unit I'm going to be reviewing today is from the Janet collection. It is one of their Color Me 6-inch deep lace part wig. I have her in the style Mary and in the color O.Autumn Orange. I'm assuming that O means for ombre. So you have already seen the whole styling portion of this video. Let's go ahead and get into my thoughts. So of course, with this Color Me series, Janet collection is coming through with some really beautiful and bold colors, to include this one, which I absolutely love. She is screaming fall vibes. I actually got her either right before fall or right at the beginning, but I'm just getting to her and we are still in the fall season, so yes. I think Janet collection did an amazing job with this color blend here. Oh my gosh. Ooh, they blend so well from the dark root all into this auburn color. Then we get into these little honey browns and blondes we got mixed up in here. Gorgeous. We got a little ginger going on too. Gorgeous color blend. In addition to the color, I also love this style, like this little loose body wave type of style is usually kind of my go-to style, so to speak, with wigs. I love me a good body wave unit. However, with this one, y'all know I'm kind of a stickler for like the curls flowing in the direction they should flow, like away from my face. I'm not really getting that too much. Like the hair is kind of going wherever it wants to go and the sides don't match. So this one is coming forward and this side is going back. I almost really hate that, but you know, you kind of got to accept what you get, especially on a Budget Friendly Friday kind of unit. You know what I'm saying? Lower them expectations when the price is low. Another thing I love is how flat she's laying. Yeah, I did put a little heat to her. She is heat safe up to 360 degrees, just so you know. But yeah, I did put my little hot comb up here to get her to lay as flat as possible, and I'm loving how flat she actually is laying. I actually like the texture of this wig because it's not giving me like super silky. It has some silk up in here, but this is what I like to call like textured. It might have a little yak up in here, but it ain't all like super shiny silky at all. So I kind of like the texture, and the hair is super soft, which, you know, leaves it to be tangle free. I have been gliding through the hair thus far. However, we definitely shedding up in this joint heavily. We actually were tangling quite a bit until I brushed her out. Once I gave her that initial brush through, she's been fine ever since, but she is shedding. So something else I'm not really a fan of is how thin this wig is. Now, I tried to show you at the beginning how you can kind of see through the wefts, and like I haven't gotten a good view of the back of my head, but I noticed it on the wig before I even put it on. I was just like, ew, this is real thin. I mean, like real thin. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but whoo-wee. I hope not. I hope I'm not too clockable, but I'm gonna do this for myself so I'll know as well. But she thin. I mean, super thin. The cap size is also a little questionable. I always tell y'all I have a small to medium size head measuring at 21.5 inches. And this cap is fitting pretty darn snug. I mean, pretty snug. So I don't think there's a whole lot of wiggle room in this unit, unfortunately. Now, the parting space on this was not a little, it was very tight. So I tried to go through and pull a couple of strings out to open it up a little bit. And then, of course, went in with my Hair Finish knot concealer, and then followed up with my foundation powder, as I always do, just to kind of open it up a little bit. And then I pulled out a little more hair right here in the front, you know, because I like my start to be a little more open, and then it kind of gets thinner as you go back. That's just my preference. This unit is very long now. I mean, I would like, she's coming all the way down to my waist, almost at my waist. So that's like 24, 26 inches. I mean, she's pretty long, y'all, like for real, for real. But, you know, if you don't like a whole lot of long hair, probably not the one for you. I mean, it's okay for me, no big deal, especially because I can still glide through the hair, but no problem, which is great. She is glueless. I did not want to glue her down. I didn't even want to bother with baby hairs today. So, yeah, we didn't do that today. This is an easy, breezy, beginner-friendly kind of wig. You can really just grab her out the pack, throw her on, and get out the door. That easy, y'all. And it came brown lace. That was another plus. I was like, oh, we are like blending with my skin color. Hello? I love that. All right, so let's get into the price. You can find this wig in a price range of about $20 to $30 easily. I will, of course, as always, leave a shopping link down in the description box below. So feel free to check it out if it's something you're interested in. Well, good people, that is all I have for you today. Let me know what you're thinking about this unit down in the comments below. Is this something you already have, or is this something you're interested in getting? Let's chat about this, baby. What you thinking? What you thinking, honey? You know I'm nosy. You know I'm nosy. I want to know. If you have made it this far in the video, go ahead and leave me this little orange diamond right here down in the comments below so that I know you made it to the end, Shug Muffin, and I truly appreciate you for that. If you're not already, you might as well go ahead and follow me on Instagram at MsEbonyVee. I thank you all so much for joining me today. I truly appreciate it. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not. And I will be sure to catch you wonderful people in the next video. Bye, y'all.
Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me. Yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah.